Hey everyone, welcome to my channel DrawASmile. Let's draw Hello Kitty popping out from a cup and showering lots of love. Let's get started. Let's draw Hello Kitty's iconic bow, starting with three simple shapes, a big center knot and two rounded loops to give her that signature sweet look. Now let's draw the right ear, a simple rounded triangle just below the bow. Next we bring Hello Kitty to life by drawing her cute face, adding her sparkling eyes, tiny nose and adorable whiskers. Wow, she looks so cute. Now let's make the cup. It's easy, just draw an oval for the rim and a U shape for the cup. Now let's draw the cup handle. Just add a simple backward curved C on the side of the cup. Next we draw two small circles for Hello Kitty's hands, then add her cute dress to complete the look. Now let's make it even more fun by filling the space with lots of hearts, spreading love all around. As a final touch, I'm decorating the cup with a heart. Feel free to add your own fun touches like polka dots, stripes, or anything you'd like to make it even more special. I use markers to color this drawing. Feel free to pause the video and match my colors or use your own favorite colors. If you enjoyed watching, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.